This year, I can barely say DIY Christmas without talking about hygge. Hygge is the Danish word for a mood of coziness and a comfortable way of living that evokes feelings of wellness and contentment. To me, it's all about togetherness, family, and filling my house with love. And nothing says family at the holidays to me more than making our own Christmas ornaments together. These oranges are going to make the perfect addition to my Hygge Christmas, and they're really easy to do. The first step is to slice your oranges. You want thin slices so they don't take forever to dehydrate, but you don't want them so thin that they are too fragile. I'm not looking for uniformity. There is something special about bringing nature into your decor, its flaws and all. Once you have your oranges sliced, lay them out in a single layer on your pan. My oven has a dehydrate mode, but if yours doesn't, bake them at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven has a fan, turn that on too. It took me a total of about 7 hours to dehydrate my orange slices, flipping them over one time about halfway through. They don't need to be dried in one uninterrupted setting. I took mine out to make dinner and then I put them back in the oven later that night. Once they are completely done and cooled, you can poke a little hole in your orange and slip a piece of string or yarn through. It's as easy as that. These are some of the easiest and most versatile ornaments I've ever made. They look great on the Christmas tree, on my real evergreen garland, and in my Christmas tree trimming centerpieces. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you can find more information out about this tutorial on my website, aloplum.com.